Hey, it's Vampire again. This time with how to install openMSX and especially how to set up MSX. Seems to be quite a lot of questions coming in from users or potential users from the forums who want to know how to set up openMSX. Setting up openMSX is easier than you think. So to always run the latest and greatest, these are the nightly builds, as we like to call them. These are all work in progress, and you can download the Mac OS versions. You can download the debugger for the OS, for the Mac OS, not for Windows yet. I will work on that. And then we have Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. If you're not sure what to download, either 32 or 64, just download the 32 bits. So what you get then is a pretty simple looking download directory, and as you can see, today it's April 5th 2010, or is it? Yeah, it is April 5th, sorry. So then you see that you have a bin.msi, a Microsoft installer. That's a Microsoft installer. Or you can download a zip file with all the files. So if you don't trust the installer, you can download the zip and you can extract the zip in location. So what I'm doing here is I'm not going to install the zip, but I'm going to use the installer since it's easier for me. Okay. So here you have welcome to, you just push next. I'm going to install it there, ZMBV, and you can set the, let's install this to openMSX. I call it openMSX demo, just to make it really simple. You should call it openMSX, just leave it in your standard directory and install. There you go. Validating install. This can take a little while. Control the current page. I don't know why that was there. But it's gone now. Okay. Moving shortcuts, removing files. Most likely I already had something there which it's removing. Removing backup files, there we go. And there we go, installing the new files. To openMSX. There you go. Oh, that's interesting. So you get a message if you want to emulate a real MSX system and not only the free BIOS machines. Put the system ROMs in the following directory. So the system ROMs are basically the BIOS files. Let me go there. This is actually incorrect. I can tell you that, since we didn't install in C program files ext4 openMSX share system ROMs, but we basically put it in this directory where we have openMSX.execute plus the directories. We just go to program files, so we are in openMSX demo in this case, and we are in share, we are in system ROMs. So, and we can open the readme really quick. Okay. Sure. Moment. Nope. I've been programming a bit, so. As you can see, this is the directory for the default ROM pool. You can put the system ROM files here. openMSX will find them if they have the rights SHA wants them. they are exactly the right ROMs, the file name is irrelevant. So this makes it a whole lot easier for most of us. That means we can just drag and drop our ROM files in here. So where do you get ROM files? Well, MSX archive dot something. I can't really mention it because I'm afraid of Wolf or MRC coming after me, or I don't know what MSX association. Okay, so I already have my files. I'm going to look them up right now. One moment. I'm doing something off screen so you can see that. openMSX share and system ROMs. Okay, so being a dev, I have most of the system ROMs here. I have a map with extensions. Here we have machines, MISC, keyboard, master voice, and Pioneer Palcom stuff. More about that later. And a bunch of stuff I didn't feel like putting in the right directories, but it doesn't really matter. You just do copy C or Control C, which is copy, and we do Control paste. I have about 80 megabytes on system ROMs. It's kinda a lot. I have a whole lot of redundant ROMs in there. I just drop them in there. I don't really care what's in there. It's only 80 megabytes, and we don't live in 98 anymore, so I have enough space on my hard disk. Okay, while it's doing this, I'm going to finish the thing. Okay, here we go. So that's that. All the system ROMs are in place. You can actually copy and paste them from Blue MSX, I believe. Let me see if I can find them on program files. Blue MSX. Where did I have it installed? Can't remember. Blue MSX. There we go. Machines. I think it was here. We just look for ROM files here. There you go. You can just copy and paste them from here into your MSX directory. So in the directory catapult you have a bin file and catapult. So it asks you where you have installed your MSX. Just type your installation path there, openMSX demo, or you can use these little boxes here. So you just select the right executable, plus you have to set the right directory there. So openMSX share directory. Once you have done that, you have most likely check for working hardware configurations, and I'm checking all my hardware configurations, as you can see, and this is still checking. Okay, just let this finish. Once it's finished, I'm going to cancel it out. You have here a complete list with working openMSX systems. As you can see, it's the A1 GT. I'm going to just put that was my iPhone, and there we go. Perfectly working openMSX with the GT running. I was recording something earlier, so there we go. A perfect working openMSX. And that was my tutorial for today. Just make sure you can find your games and everything will be really easy. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this one and see you next time.